Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix StarPets payment fail. If you're experiencing a payment failure on StarPets, there are a few reliable steps to resolve it. First, double check your payment method and bank. Ensure the card or account has sufficient funds and that international transactions are allowed, since some issuers may decline payments for security reasons. If one method fails, try an alternative payment option. Second, watch out for session timeouts or transaction delays. An unstable internet connection or browser interruption can block the payment even if funds are deducted. Keep your transaction confirmation handy in case you need to report it. Third, refresh your browser and clear cache and cookies to avoid session or token issues that may interfere with the payment process. Finally, if the problem persists, contact StarPet support directly via their help center or live chat, providing transaction details and proof so they can resolve the issue quickly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.